This here is the latest Aero Fit. Meet the Aero Fit 2 by Soundcore. Now, if you're not familiar with Soundcore, they're also known as Anchor as well as Eufy and make a variety of cool looking tech products, including audio products. Now, the Aero Fit original ones were really great, designed for more or less people that like to cycle or work out or just want to be outdoors where you can still hear the outside around you while listening to your music without feeling like you're being closed in with something that's dug inside your ear. And that's because the way this is designed, it's designed to go over your ear without any issue, making it really comfortable to use. Now, this here is the latest version. This here is the 2, in which we'll be reviewing 2 of them. That's right, we have ourselves a green version and a black version, in which we'll be doing a side-by-side unboxing, taking a look at them and even trying them out and seeing exactly how do they differ from the original. Now, if you guys want to learn more about Soundcore as well as this particular product, check out the link down below in the description for your very own. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let's do a quick side-by-side unboxing now. Both of these guys look really cool. Obviously, it's more based on your color preference. They do have other colors as well. The green one definitely, I think, is a really cool looking aspect. The black one's really nice and sleek too, based on your own personal liking. Now, on the front, it does talk about something called base turbo. So the nice thing about this is they did upgrade the particular millimeter on the actual driver. So now we're at 20 millimeters, which you look on the back side here. So these are 20 millimeter by 11.5 millimeter drivers with something called base turbo. So essentially, I'm assuming a lot more big of a kick. Now, it also features an open ear design, same as the last time, with the flexibility so you can always adapt and adjust to your ear based on your liking. And then has an enhanced situational awareness. So based on your current situation where you're at, it will go ahead and adapt to that using AI, of course, which is always a good friend of ours, allowing us to go ahead and essentially adapt and kind of cancel any kind of noise around you. Now, it also features clear calls with 4 microphones with AI enhancement. So again, you have 4 microphones picking up your audio and enhancing it via AI, so you have a crisp quality clear audio, which we'll be trying in just a little bit. Next up is 10 hours of playtime, so a little less than the previous. I believe that was 11, but you also get 42 hours with charging case. But do keep in mind, you do have the extra bass, so I'm assuming that's where it comes from. And then it features an IP55 water resistant, not waterproof, water resistant capability, as well as sweat and dust proof as well. So again, designed for out cycling, working out, whatever you want to do, obviously not going underwater. So all in all, it seems pretty cool. Again, you get the app integration, and yeah, I mean, it's Soundcore, so what more do you want, right? All right, let's open these things up and see what they look like. All right, so we got ourselves a quick start guide, how to go ahead and explain kind of setting them up, as well as how to wear them. So we have our cases, which are these 2 here. We've got our black one and our almost like a metallic green, 2 USB cables, USB-A to USB-C, both of which are paired with the white and the black. We have the USB-C port on the back. Looks like a little clicker here as well. Oh, that actually activated it, so we got a little LED light there, pretty neat. And then we pop it open. All right, we got our nice looking earbuds kind of peeking at us. Let's go take these guys out. And then in terms of this one here, same thing, you have the black version. So obviously it's more or less based on your personal preference. Looking at them side by side, they look really cool. I love the rubber compound, definitely has like a nice flexibility, and it's super duper lightweight. And the metallic green finish on this one particularly, I'm a big fan of. Even the black one has a nice like little metallicness to it as well too. Again, more or less based on your preference in terms of what you're into, in terms of what kind of color you're looking at. Now, all in all, I mean, these definitely have that quality grade feel, and the way it kind of has like a bean shape is actually a really like organic look to it, I would say. And just looking at it, you can see that, you know, you have these like dual like speakers right here. You can see that there's like this almost like charger port right over here with the rubber material as well. You have your microphone there and another microphone there, so there's 2 on one and 2 on the other, so hence the 4. Now, to put it on, you have a click here that you can actually rotate it. So this here is like 4 different levels, as they call it. Level 1, level 2 are based for like small and medium sized ears, versus level 2 to level 4 is more comfortable for medium to large size ears. I think I've been told that I have small ears, so we're gonna go ahead and put it to level 1. So that would be like that, I guess. And then you're supposed to just kind of like take this part here and slide it behind the ear, and it should just kind of nestle in, just like that. And then likewise with the other one here, just kind of, let's put that back to level 1, and then slide it in, and then just kind of nestle in, just like that. Obviously, once you start playing the music, that'll make the difference in terms of is it in fact a good size or not. So that is kind of how the green one looks, just like that. And then if we take it off here, let's try on the black ones next. So again, let's find the right size. Go, and slide it behind the ear until it sits in there, and then it should be kind of like that. I noticed that whenever I do touch it, I hear like a little click, click, or like a little pop. It's a very interesting sound. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and set this thing up. For this part here, we're gonna try connecting our green ones. Okay, and I'll click on Aero Fit 2. It'll search, click connect device, and boom, we're ready. So this here is our main app hub. So a few different things going on here. First thing we have is our sound effects. So if I click this here, you can see it has a 3D surround sound designed mainly for like films or gaming based on what you're trying to use it for. What this will do is kind of come all around you rather than just kind of like at you. You have your different default settings. You have your acoustic mode, your bass booster, your volume booster, your classical, and then if you click on more, it has all these other ones based on like podcast, hip hop, things like that. So a lot of cool custom ones, and then of course you can create your own custom one. So from here you can go ahead and create one here, and you can even save it as well. And I can actually share this, be it a friend or whatever like that. So that's kind of cool too. So you can go ahead and customize it and share it amongst other people. Now under control mode here, you show that what you can do in terms of audio, or if you want to go ahead and customize it. So if I do my left one here, I can increase the volume, decrease the volume, next, play, previous, etc. Double tap, triple tap, long press. For calls, you have, double tap the audio, decline, etc. And same with the right ear. So pretty interesting stuff there. You have dual connection, which is kind of cool. So what this does, it lets you connect to multiple devices. So you can hear it, what is coming from your phone or your computer or both at the same time. So this makes a unique way of essentially listening to audio. So you can be working and listening to music at the same time on a screen. So that is really cool. I like that feature a lot. Next up, you have your gaming mode. So this will enhance the gaming aspect in terms of hearing footsteps and having low latency. So you don't have to worry about, any kind of delay. Although these are pretty accurate for what they are, this will further enhance that. So that's actually really nice. The next thing I want to do is just go ahead and try these things on. So we'll wear the black ones and see how the audio comes out. Damn, that's actually pretty good. Wow. It's kind of weird because like it doesn't sound like I'm wearing earbuds. It sounds like there's music around me. I don't know how to explain it. Okay. All right. So some things that I'm noticing. One thing is that the bass is kind of like coming at me like this, not like this. It's like that. It feels literally it's coming from different directions rather than just kind of hitting me in the face over and over again. And then I can hear myself talk, I can hear myself think, I can hear myself breathe. It doesn't feel like I'm being closed inside a small ball. I definitely feel like it's more airy. I can imagine myself exercising, running around and riding my bike, which I probably will do, but yeah, it's actually pretty cool. All right, so the next thing I want to do is put these green ones on, and we're going to try out our audio from our microphone. This here is the audio that we're recording right now using our 4 microphones from our headset. All in all, it should sound pretty good. Let's see how it came out. This here is the audio that we're recording right now using our
4 microphones from our headset. All in all, it should sound pretty good. Let's see how it came out.
Yeah, so I mean, it's actually pretty good. I mean, obviously it's not like a lav, but for answering phone calls or whatnot while you're working out, this here might be a great addition to that, because obviously you do get that 4 microphone array system built into it. So it has the AI to go ahead and further enhance that to essentially eliminate any kind of background audio. So pretty cool. Well, let's go ahead and try these things out while we're working out and riding our bike and see how they perform. All right, so we're outside on this beautiful day, and I'd say these things actually work really well outdoors. It is really translucent, so I can feel the air going through my ears as I'm riding, and hands down, definitely does the part really well. Now, in terms of actual physical use goes, I really recommend them. I think they're actually really good, and again, I could feel the wind blowing, which is a really cool feature. Hands down, well worth it. So it's got a very like lightweight feel. Definitely feels very comfortable. It does feel like I'm wearing something, but I can hear myself. And that's something that's very important when it comes to headphones, specifically for me. I like to be able to hear myself talk. Sometimes when I wear headphones, it'll feel so overpowering to the point where I can't hear anybody else around me except myself. And right now, it literally feels like there's nothing really there in terms of audio goes. However, I do feel that there's something on my ears, which I do feel that I could get more used to. Another thing to know is that I am wearing glasses. So with my glasses on, it doesn't seem to interfere with it at all. If I take them off, it feels exactly the same. These are supposed to sit on the inside. My glasses are supposed to be on the inside with the earbuds on the outside. And yeah, all in all, pretty cool. So yeah, there you guys have it. Overall, these are definitely a really great quality set earbuds. And if you're looking for something that's designed for being able to use them on the go, or something in terms of working out goes, I can imagine these being really, really well paired. Just because, one, they are lightweight. Two, they're very airy because they're over the ear and they don't create anything where it feels like you're being enclosed in or creating any kind of like sweating kind of condition. And yeah, I mean, it's exactly what I would imagine in terms of some kind of lightweight, comfortable earbuds. And hands down, the bass on these are absolutely incredible. Huge from what I originally imagined. And with that said, if you guys have any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.